really enjoy having them in our home, working with them. They're great with our kids, our animals, our home, our system. I don't know why you wouldn't want to pay that forward to someone else. We've been with Golden Rule for, I want to say 17 years now, and they've kind of grown with our family and grown into each property that we've moved into. But what started out as sort of we want a reputable company that can operate quickly at a reasonable price turned into a pretty substantial relationship. So recently we had a problem with a new home that we had purchased. The home passed home inspection and everything. We found a problem with the HVAC system. We found that there was actually mold growing in the vents, and the humidifier portion of the HVAC just suddenly fell off. And so our very first call was to Golden Rule, because we've been Gold Club members for over a decade. And so that's not the sort of thing that I felt comfortable handling myself. So thinking about the relationship with the technicians themselves, no matter how many times they come to my house, they always ask if they should take off their shoes, put on their booties, even though they know we have teenage boys, they know we take in rescues, and our house is generally a disaster, but they're always so polite and so gentle. There's such a comfort and an ease in talking with them. It's not letting a stranger into your house and hoping for the best. It really is more of a relationship, and I always feel extremely comfortable anytime Golden Rule comes over.